Hello everyone. Today is the third day of the presentation, research methodology. My topic is integrating quotation in research writing, prose, poetry and drama. This is my academic information. This is my hypothesis and research question. Let's start with the quotation. Quotation, how the role is quotation in research writing. Quotation marks are used to denote a language taken from another author or sources. I taken from this sentence, academic guides, grammar and mechanics, quotation marks. In quotations, writing a research paper requires reading other materials that both support and contradict your theories. Academic conversation are qualified through the balanced presentation. Anytime reading the information, we support both sides, argument part and inform with the breadth of the field. By using the reference and quotation in your paper, you are providing proof for your knowledge and legitimize. I taken from the information NTO University Virtual Writing Center. Use of quotation mark. Where use of quotation, first the songs, title of the short minor works, short story, essay, short poems, one act play, chapters in book. This information I taken from quotation mark with the fiction Purdue University. Firstly, block quotation. What is the block quotation? Block quotation is the you should use block quotation when the quotation occupy four or more types of line on the pages. Although they are allowed in any type of writing, you will likely most often use them when quoting for fiction or literature. A block quotation is a remove from the main body text. Indeed, one each from main margin and line spacing in double. Maintain the double spacing throughout, but you do not need to use quotation mark. Block quotation means a long quotation. We are writing research paper in that time. We are many quote to mention in the our research paper. At that time, we three or four lines to that time to see how the quotation in research paper to write the brick and then our left side margin to space in one each space and then to write and all the four lines to line spacing in double. This is I taken from quotation mark with the fiction Purdue University. First, quotation in prose. How the general rules in quotation prose. First, the double quotation marks for short quotation. In the short quotation, less than four lines. Second, use block quotation for long passages. In the long passages for four or more lines. Maintain accuracy. uh, this short quotation, put them in the quotation mark and include them in your sentence. Example, Charles Dickens, Tale of Two Cities. Example, it was the best times, it was the rose time. To see the how the end and start with the quotation mark. Quotation with the citation. If a quotation need a parenthetical reference, example, page number put in the period after the citation. In the example, in last in 35 is the parenthetical references is long quotation. More than four lines. Start a new lines and incident the whole quotation, one each from the left margin, typing the double space. Do not use the quotation marks. The block quotation means the long quotation. In the example, lot of flies, left margin to space one each, and then four lines in line spacing in double. Lot of flies novel. Second, quotation in poetry. General rules for the quotation. First, the line breaks and stanza structure must be maintained. Second, use the slash for short quotation within the sentence. Third, use block format for longer poetry except short poetry in more than three lines. Put the quotation mark and include them in your sentence. Use slash. Example, Kulin sentence. I reference with the color collection in the poem. See the of all the things that happened there, then slash and then write. That's all that I remember. Unusual spacing for the formatting. If the poet use unusual spacing, line breaks or indication, copy it exactly. Example, queuing poem, uh, to see how it's then under the spring, and then and I will the this information taken from tulips and chimneys collection of this poem. A third, long poetry quotation. More than three lines. That time, start a new lines. Indicate for one each from the left margin and same the line spacing in double space. Do not use the quotation mark unless they appear in the original poem. Example, the Elizabeth bishops in the waiting room. Describe the setting. See the left margin one each from, and then all the four five lines, line spacing double margin, double space. Do not use the quotation. Third, long lines in poetry. If a line is too long to fit no one line, continue on the next line. Indent in the extra quarter each, one each. Third, quotation in drama. If you are quoting conversation between two or more characters, set the quotation apart from your text, like a block quote, same poetry and prose. Writer each character names in all capital letter. Example, Hamlet, and indeed the one is from the left margin. After the character name, put a period and start the lines. If a character speech continue, uh, for multiple lines, indicate following line as an extra quarter each. When the dialogue switches another character, start a new lines and follow the same pattern. Example, King Lear. Firstly, left margin to one each, then character's name in capital, and then new character is a new lines. This is the Shakespeare's novel King Lear. Third, quoting stage direction. Uh, Stage direction and that time quoting should be copied exactly as they appear in the original text. If stage direction interrupt a sentence and you do not need them, you can replace them with an ellipsis. Otherwise, format them the same way. Prose poetry quotation following the previous rule in the last conclusion. First point is the enhance the clarity and coherence. Proper integration of the quotation and ensure that research writing remain clear and well structured. Second, strengthen argument. Correctly formatted quotation supported claim and provide the textual evidence effectively. Facility better interpretation, accurate presentation of prose, poetry, and drama. Third, all the quotation helps to deeper textual analysis, improves research quality. Mastering the quotation integration enhance the overall effectiveness and credibility of academic writing. Learning outcome, understanding the quotation rules. I make this presentation before the what is the block quotation. I'm not understand that uh, I meet the ma'am and what is the block quotation. Firstly, I understand and then I write the what is block quotation. Improve research quality, overcome common challenges. Now I understand what is the quotation in the research paper, poetry, drama, and prose, how to write, and what is the proper structure. This is my work cited. In the I cite MLA 7th edition, which all the information, prose, poetry, and drama I taken. Thank you. If any question, free feel to ask.
Khushi, my question is how can students improve their use of quotation in research writing?
Yes, Jay. Student improve the quotation in research writing. Firstly, to follow the standard of formatting rules. Secondly, to uh, from the text, and third, to proper citation to improve students' quotation in research writing.
Khushi, my question is what are the key differences in quoting the prose, poetry, and drama?
Yes, Joy. Key differences is that prose in more than three lines, sorry, more than four lines in short quote. Second, poetry in more than three lines, and drama in the all the characters to capital, and then new characters start with the new lines, and block quotation to see all the in same. This is the key differences in the all the three. Thank you.